What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Sixth Year Auto. My name is Sam. Today we are gonna go and do the first mod to the Z4, and that means this car right here, that car is gonna get something done to it. It's already got the Koni shocks and the K&N intake and the M exhaust for now, but we're gonna go make this thing sound the way it's supposed to. We're gonna be cutting the back box off and doing straight pipe from there. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna need new tires because these are the rears and they're real low. Also, my front one is like that, but yikes. It's not going anywhere for now though. Condensation of the AC. There's the cats. But that's gonna be gone. Gonna just pipe. Is off, and that's just pipe. Going to be putting in a little bit longer pipe and reattaching the tips. Welded back in. Another one about to be done. A little muffler over there. Cool little lowrider Cadillac parked up. Another classic car over there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I wanted. Sounds incredible now. My God. This exhaust has made me fall in love with the car more than when I bought it. I love this thing so much. It sounds so good. This is what this thing sounds like now. I love this. Oh my God. I am so happy. This thing, the whole ride back, I had no music. I was just listening to the exhaust and I love this thing so much. Oh my God. But you're definitely going to be seeing a lot more of this car in upcoming videos. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that good stuff. And I'll see y'all in the next video. But till then, bye-bye.